If you've got a lawn problem, then most likely it's caused by lawn beetles and grubs. They become super active in the warmer months in Australia, from December through to March, with their larvae living under the turf, munching away at the grass roots. As a result, your grass loses its ability to take up moisture and nutrients and starts to die off, leaving these distinctive brown patches. You can almost trace their progress as the lines wiggle across your lawn. But there's a product that will solve your problem quite quickly. It's called Lawn Beetle and Grub Killer by Richgrow, and it's really easy to use with 3 settings to control application rates. Then just sprinkle it on. It's actually made by coating sand granules with the active chemical, Bifenthrin. The chemical kills the bugs, while the sand will always be good for your lawn as a top dressing. Then just water it in, but make sure you do it very thoroughly and keep people and pets off until it dries. Lawn Beetle and Grub Killer by Richgrow. The best way to restore your lawn.